Today we got a video from Bodycam K9 and the title of the video is Flight Attendant Gets Caught Stealing Passenger's Bag. Flight attendant? Oh man.
You're going to take an unattended bag that you don't know what's in it, and you're going to take it onto a plane that's going somewhere with all these people on it.
On June 23, 2019, a passenger reported his bag missing. What he didn't know was that a flight attendant was moments away from flying away with it.
Charger. Yeah, it was literally like half second.
Half second?
He was in the bathroom. I turned around to fix my shoes, sit down. I turned around, he snatched it right off. The moment I came out the bathroom.
Where were you seated?
At this bathroom in front of 8-7.
8-7. Okay. Let me call down and see if somebody can work our camera, see if we can find anything on it.
I have to put it on the plane. It's sad that somebody just taking stuff like that. Stuff sit there all day, don't touch it. As soon as you leave your stuff, I don't touch it.
So if we have a camera there, we'll be able to see if it was there and
oh, it was there for sure, sir.
And then how it came up missing. Hey, Roy, Mark. Hey, I got a guy up here. I don't know if there's anyone down there that works the cameras right now. He went into the restroom. He had somebody pushing him in a wheelchair. The wheelchair attendant turned his back, and he's got a bag now that's missing off the back of the wheelchair. It was by the restrooms by A6. Yeah, so it's a ABM wheelchair pusher. It's the blue one, and then the gentleman that was in the wheelchair. Probably looks like he's probably about 22 years old.
I'm 33, but I look
okay, he's a young 33. Wearing black.
Hey, let him know, young brother. He said black don't crack, baby. Yes, sir.
Black pants and glasses, black nail. All right. What time's your flight?
soon.
7. Let me just double check over here. Hey, Ken? Ken? Do you happen to have any black bags that were left here?
Black bags?
Yeah. In the last hour.
Attention all areas. Any black bags left behind?
I didn't know if you had something in your office.
I'll check with them down here. I gotta watch you real quick. Should be done here in a second.
Okay. Where'd he go to? Oh. You say your ID's in there also?
Oh my God. My wallet's in there and my passport. Oh. Everything's in there. Yeah. Because I have to put it in there to pass through the thing.
Okay, let me get some information from you. Well, let's go take a walk down here and see if we can see it.
Because I can spot it easily.
It was so bad though, like we never saw my brother.
Hey Roy, I'm going to step away from the checkpoint here and see if we can locate it maybe on the time course.
Walking this way? Yeah, towards there.
Our active duty U.S. military, we thank you for your service with your ID. We boarded this time as well.
I believe the flight attendant got out of flight at 8:14. He stopped and talked to the person at the ticket counter and then went right down the hill.
Okay.
That's good work. They tracked that down. They said it's a flight attendant.
on her phone.
If you have a bag.
Cop ain't gotta say nothing to none of them. He just bulldozed his way on that mug. Okay.
Excuse me.
I'm just worried.
Excuse me. Excuse me.
Come on, guys. Hello.
Hi.
Maybe to hold the line up?
I think I need to see this guy.
Sure. Yes. You want me to grab him?
I need to see him. Yes.
Okay.
Is he working this fight?
All set.
Yeah, we're gonna need
Not
to check
anymore.
out here. Actually, you got any belongings?
Yeah.
Like this bag? Book bag?
Yeah. You need it right now?
Yeah, I need that book bag.
All right.
And I
Hey,
need
Steve,
everything
he's
else.
waiting up there. The
Yeah,
guy
I'll be right back.
reported it.
He reported what?
I don't know, he stopped me and said, you're down here. He said he was looking for a book bag.
We can't have, we have to have another license.
Well, I'm not concerned about that, but you're gonna have to come up here with me.
Sure.
What's your name? Let me see your ID. Let me take it off so I can have it. Take it off your neck so I can have your lanyard. Hey. Okay. So, tell me what happened here. What's your name? Vern?
Yes. My name's Vern.
Vern.
How you doing, sir?
Okay. What happened?
Well, sir, I saw an unattended bag, and I was going to present it to the gate agent when he was done boarding because he was unaware, like nobody
So
was
you're
around.
gonna take an unattended bag that you don't know what's in it, and you're gonna take it onto a plane that's going somewhere with all these people on it.
No, sir, I did check the bag. It was secure, but I wasn't able to talk to the gate agent. As far as about the bag, I still had to do my checks and stuff like that. I wasn't going to do anything with the bag or anything like that. I was making sure that it was all right, but I did do the check before. I did my checks. I checked the bag. It was secure, but I was waiting on the gate agent to make sure that I spoke to them. But I wasn't trying to do anything with it or anything like that.
Give me your regular driver's license, your ID.
Sure.
Where are you from?
I'm from Florida.
Hey, Roy.
That explains
Yeah,
it.
I got him. I'm down here at 814.
Sir?
No, I'm on the inside here.
Sir,
By the
as I was
elevator.
walking to the gate area, I saw an unattended bag, this bag
So-
right here. And
So
I made sure,
here's
like,
a situation.
I made sure
kinda.
like, it was nothing as far as
He's from Florida.
weapons,
but
plastic or anything.
They
like
don't
that.
have anyone else for
I
this
spoke
flight.
to the gate agent. Well, I didn't get this day to speak to the gate agent. I was
So-
gonna wait until we was all secure and stuff like that and give it right back to the gate agent. But it was unsecure. I
So-
checked it. There's nothing inside that's harmful or anything like
Okay.
that. I wasn't gonna do anything with it. It's something
Stop lying. You took it off the wheelchair.
But,
it was in the bathroom, sir.
yeah.
I took it on the plane. We took it out. Yes, sir. After I did my checks.
Let me see if we can give this bit back to this guy real quick. Excuse us.
But my intention wasn't to do anything.
Why don't you go over here with him?
Okay.
Well, I see this guy can check his bag and so he can get on his flight.
Alan, we went to see him.
Hey, where's he at? First things first. Why don't you go through here and check and see what's missing, if there's anything missing.
Stolen? Okay. Oh my God. Okay, so wait. Wow, wait. Everything's there.
Everything's there?
Everything's there.
Okay.
Can I give you a hug, man?
Hey, sure, man. All right.
The victim didn't end up pressing charges and said he won't be back to that airport anytime soon. Share your comments below.
What? He didn't press charges? Oh, he a real one for that, boy. I'm pressing charges. Fuck that. I'm pressing charges. I'm pressing charges, bruh. You took my bag with all my money and everything in it. Listen, like flight attendant stuff, like you go through so much training and so much BS to even get that job, and you gonna lose it like that. You lucky. He should be thanking he should be kissing the ground this guy walks on right now for not pressing charges. That's so crazy. I'm pressing charges. I ain't gonna lie to you. Just because if you did it to me, you gonna do it to somebody else. Florida, it don't surprise me, man. A lot of, scam, thieves, all that. Like, that don't surprise me at all. That's bogus. And now all his colleagues are gonna be looking at him crazy. Luckily for him, with flight attendants, they don't work with the same people all the time. You know what I'm saying? So it's like, but Frontier, man. Now don't tell me the flight attendants is just like the passengers on Frontier now. That's crazy, man. We know the type of clientele that Frontier get, man. They like Spirit. It's bad, man. It's bad. Anyway, man, that cop did an amazing job. All of the officers, the ones that checked the cameras, they was able to check the cameras so fast and track him to his next flight and everything. That was great, man. When he found his bag and the guy said, man, can I give you a hug? Everything is here. Like, I felt that. I'm just like, wow, that's a wholesome moment right there, man. That was beautiful to see. But I'm pressing charges, though. That's a fact. Anyway, let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did. They did 10 or 5 out of 10. Outstanding. This is amazing outcome, man. Yeah, let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.